Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. This is week 3 and lecture number 2. We have started the chapter number 4, that is about the pollutants and their effects on the environment. Effects of the human activities on the environment, and today's topic, global warming and acid rain. Here are some objectives to explain the concept of the global warming, to describe the acid rain and its effects. First, we are starting with the global warming. Students, you know what is global warming? Due to the overpopulation and the human activities like burning of the fuel and others, the amount of the greenhouse gases are increased in the atmosphere. And what is the result of it? This speeds up the greenhouse effect, and increasing the rate of the greenhouse effect and the ozone depletion is increasing. So what is happening? The temperature of the earth is getting warmer day by day, and this is called the global warming. And as the result of the global warming, what is happening? The ice in the polar regions at the mountains starting melting, and this leads to the rising the levels of the seawater and creates floods. This is all effects of the global warming. Here is the symbolic picture of the earth. You can see what is happening with the earth because it is getting warmer day by day. And this is also the symbolic picture of the tree. What is happening to the tree? In the past, it was green and shiny, but now, due to the greenhouse gases, what is happening to it? You can see in this diagram. It is symbolic diagram of the global warming. Here you can see that due to the global warming, what is happening? Changing rain and snow patterns, stronger storms, there are damaged corals, rising sea levels, and temperatures are higher, and changes in the animal migration and their life cycles as well, more droughts and wildfires, and warmer oceans, less snow and ice in the polar regions at the mountains, thawing permafrost. It means thawing permafrost, these are the patches of the soil which are under the ice. And in polar regions there are many villages are situated on the thawing permafrost. So these all are the effects of the global warming. There are so many changes on the animals, humans and plants. All are affected by this global warming and greenhouse gases and by ozone depletion. Now we are starting the acid rain. As by the name it indicates, sulfur dioxide and oxides of the nitrogen are present in the atmosphere as the pollutants, and they get dissolved in the water vapors in the clouds and turn to acid like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. But these acids are not strong, these are light, and these acids make the rainwater acidic. So the effect of the acid rain on the animals, plants, building, human, everything on the earth. So it is very dangerous for all the living creatures on the earth. You can see in this diagram the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, they are going to the atmosphere, they are in the clouds, and after that when they mix with the water they make the acids, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and by the rainwater they came back to the earth and destroy all the living creatures in many ways. Here you can also see first the dry deposition of this nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere. It is in the gaseous form in the atmosphere, but when it comes with the rain it mixes with the water and make the acids. Here is also the pictorial description of the acid rain, how from the when the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide from the smoke, they are going to the atmosphere, and when they combine with the water, they make the acid and come with the rain, snow. And this acid rain affects the human activities, human health, plants health, animal health, and others. And you know, students, acid rain kills the aquatic life in rivers, lakes, ponds. It destroys the leaves and the barks of the tree as well. It corrodes the metals and the stone used in the buildings. Buildings become in very bad condition due to these acid rains. The acid rain water flowing into the fields make the soil acidic. The crops do not grow well in acidic soil, and the microorganisms present in the soil are also affected by the acid rain. These all are the effects of the acid rain. Students, here is the assignment. Read your book page number 52 and 53, and then write a note on acid rain, and then write a note on global warming. Here is the link. You can click on the link and you can see the video about the acid rain and global warming. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.